Hello guys, so today we are going to solve the GeeksforGeeks problem of the day, non-attacking black and white knights problem. So what is knight? Knight in chess. So this is a knight in the chess and it can traverse in L-shaped direction. Okay, this is a knight and it can traverse in a L-shaped direction. Okay. So the problem is stated that we have given n into n size 2-dimension chess board and we need to find the number of ways to place one black knight and one white knight on the chessboard such that they can't attack each other. Okay. Okay. So we can place a black if we can place a black knight here. So in which places I can place a white knight? Let's understand. If I place a black knight in this place, then I can place a white knight here, I can place a white knight here. No, I can't place a white knight here because this can move in this direction, so it can attack in this cell. So I can't place a white knight in this place. I so I can place in this direction. I can't place in this direction because the black cell can also move in this direction. Okay, in L size at this, then this. So I can't place a white cell in this direction. I can place a white cell in this direction. I can place in this direction. I can't place in this direction because a black cell can attack in this cell. Okay. So I can't place a white cell in this direction. So I can place in this direction. I can place a white cell in this direction. In this direction. I can't place in this direction because a black cell can traverse in L shape, so it will also attack this cell. So I can place this cell, a white cell in this direction. I can place in this direction, in this direction, in this direction. So let's understand where I can't place a white cell. I can't place in this direction. 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 I also can't place in this direction. And I also can't place in this two direction. Okay. So total cell in which I can't place 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. So if I place a black cell here, so I can't place a white cell in this cell. So number of the total cells, the white cells in which I can place is the number of ways possible valid in which we can place a black and white cell. So let's go into the problem. So we are traversing from the n cross m array, and let's assume that we have placed a black knight in I comma j th cell. Okay, if I place the black knight here, so the remaining cell becomes, that is n cross m, that is total numbers of the cell minus 1 because I place a black knight in one cell. Okay, so total remaining cell becomes this, and I can't place in a direction, and these are the four move in a direction, and we are checking that if this cell is valid cell, and if it is a valid cell, then we are decreasing the remaining cell by 1, and same for this one, same for this one. And this is how we are traversing in that direction and making, if this is a valid cell, then we are decreasing the remaining cell by 1, and at last we add it into our answer, that is count number of the possible way. and at last we are returning the count. Let's compile and run it, and it is a working fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, it is also working fine, and the time complexity of this code is the n square, and there is no space complexity, and I have placed I have provided this code here. Yeah, here is the this code. I am providing this code here. You can check it out and find the code below one. And I am updating it on the daily basis, and you can find the solution of daily problem of the day here. And this is a platform designed by me, and you can also provide me some suggestions what I can improve in this platform via in video description, or here you can also give me some suggestion to improve this platform, and you can also use this platform to find the code problem of the day solution. And here is the lead code problem of the day solution for 6th June, and you can also write some articles, blog, or study resource. And here you can also share source college resource such as assignment notes and PIQ that can be accessed by your college peers. And you can also access the tutorial here, and you can read it here, and can also add a lessons here. So it is loaded, and here you can find the code. Okay, you can also create a tutorials, and you can build it, and yeah, that is all about it. So thank you for watching, and I will provide the link of this one in the description. You can check it out. Okay guys, thank you for watching.